Good morning, dear students and parents. Hope you all are safe and sound at your home. Students, as you know, block 21 is going on, and in the previous class, we have completed lesson 1 and 2. Beginning of farming and change in tools. Means how the early humans started the farming, and after starting the farming, how their tools were changed. And today we are going to read about using the wheels. This is our today's topic. Block 21, as you know, in lesson 3, keywords for today's class: wheel, resources, content book, notebook and workbook. Before going to start our today's topic, I want to ask this question to you students: is how do you come to school? Yes, how do you come to school? Yes, usually you go to school by using bicycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, motorbike, it could be school bus, car. Yes, what is common in all these vehicles? Is what is common? Right. Wheel is common thing, right? Wheel is common thing in all these vehicles. All these vehicles use wheel to run. So student, what is our today's aim? Our today's aim is how the wheel changed the lives of the early humans. How the wheel was discovered, means wheel was discovered. After the discovering of wheel, how this wheel changed the lives of early humans. Today we are going to read about this. Now it is action time, students. What will you do? You will observe the pictures which are given on page number 27 in your workbook. Yes, look at these pictures. What is the wheel used for in these pictures? Here you can see in all these pictures wheel is used, and you will identify how the wheel is used in these pictures and how it would have helped the early humans. You will observe these pictures carefully, and then you will find out how the wheel is being used. Wheel को किस तरह से इन pictures में use किया गया है and how it would have helped the early humans, और किस तरह से ये wheels जो हैं early humans के लिए helpful थे. Students, now move to the analysis part. Now I'm going to ask some questions which are based on the activity. Just now you have observed some of the picture. My first question is, what were the pictures about? What were the pictures about which were given in S3? Yes, all these pictures are of different things, right? And in all these pictures, wheel is used in different ways. Three pictures were there, and in all these three pictures, wheel is used. Next question is, how are the wheels being used in the pictures? How are the wheels being used in the pictures? In first picture, the wheel is used to make cotton clothes, and in the second picture, you can see on the screen, yes, in second picture, the wheel is used to make clay pots, and in third picture, the wheel is used in a bicycle to ride a bicycle. Next question is, how do you think the early humans use the wheels? What do you think about this, student? Means, how did the early humans use the wheels? The early humans use the wheels only for making the pots. Do you think they would have used a bicycle as you have seen in the picture? Would they have used the wheel to make cotton clothes, to make pots on potter's wheel? As we have learned and listened about the early humans, according to us, early humans used the wheel to make the pots on potter's wheel. They were not using the wheel for bicycle, to ride the bicycle and to make cotton clothes. And one more thing, what were they using? And using the wheels, they used the wheels to carry loads. How do you think early human discovered the wheel? Is how do you think early human discovered the wheel? कैसे उन्होंने wheel को discover किया होगा? किस तरह से उनको wheel मिला? ये students, can you guess about it? Early humans might have seen a log of wood rolling in speed and got the idea of wheel. Before the wheel was invented, early human had to walk one place to another place, and in search of food and to hunt the animal. Constantly they had to walk from one place to other, and then they had to come back to their caves or the shelter. And after the invention of the wheel, when the wheel was discovered, after they might have used these wheels for the pulling carts. How did the wheel help the early human? How did the wheel help the early human? Once they invented the wheel, it could be used to the pulling carts. इसको pulling carts में use किया गया, and this pulling cart is used to carry loads, and later on it was used for traveling also. Students, look at this word web. Through this word web, you can easily understand how the invention of the wheel was helpful for the early humans. Wheel helps them to carry heavy loads, to travel long distances easily. And before the invention of the wheels, early humans used the animals to travel the long distances. टू मेक पोट्स यूजिंग द पोटर्स व्हील, पोट्स बनाने के लिए उन्होंने व्हील का यूज़ किया. टू पुल देयर कार्ट्स ओवर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस को कवर करने के लिए दे यूज द व्हील्स इन देयर कार्ट्स. सो दिस हाउ व्हील वॉज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द अर्ली ह्यूमन्स. Later they invented the potter's wheel to make clay pots, and these clay pots they used to carry water from the rivers, and they were using these pots for storing the water also, and to store the grains also. So wheel was very helpful. The invention of wheel was very helpful for the early humans. Now it is time for the higher order thinking question, student. Do we use the wheel in the same way as the early humans, and how? Yes, student, now again read the question. It is on your screen. Yes, do we use the wheels in same way as the early humans, and how? How do we use the wheels in same way as the early humans use the wheels for traveling purpose? We also use the wheels in our vehicles like car, buses, trains, right? So we are also using in the same way as early humans use the wheels for making the pottery items for pots. We also use the wheels for traveling. All our vehicles like buses, cars, trucks, bicycles and other transport use wheels to run. Even today people use the potter's wheel to make pots and other pottery items. Students, now open page number 28. Now it is time for the reading section to summarize our today's learning. Invention of the wheel. Early humans walked or rode on animals to go from one place to another till they invented the wheel. They may have seen tree trunks or round stones rolling down hills. They may have used this idea to make wheels. After inventing the wheel, they could make carts with wheels. Wheels helped them travel, pull heavy loads and carry things over long distances. मिस अर्ली ह्यूमन जो है व्हील के इन्वेंशन से पहले किस तरह से वो ट्रेवल करता था. ही द अर्ली ह्यूमंस माइट हैव यूज्ड द एनिमल्स का यूज करता था एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे जाने के लिए. और उसको किस तरह से व्हील का आइडिया आया. ही माइट हैव सीन अर्ली ह्यूमंस माइट हैव सीन द ट्री के जो ट्रंक्स होते हैं, जो रोल्स होते हैं, रोलिंग डाउन द हिल्स से नीचे की तरफ आ रहे थे. दे माइट हैव गॉट द आइडिया फ्रॉम दैट. After inventing the wheel, they could make cars with wheels. Wheels help them travel, pull heavy loads and carry things over long distances. They might have made the potter's wheel that helped them to make clay pots. These pots help them to store food, grains and water. Now it is time for to apply your knowledge, students. You will do S3 which is given on page number 27 in your workbook. Open page number 27 of your workbook. Using the wheel. What is the wheel used for in the pictures? Here the first question, as we have discussed already in the discussion part. Yes, in these pictures wheel is used, and what is the wheel being used for in these pictures? In pictures में wheel का use किस लिए किया गया है? Question number 2, fill in the word web with ways in which the wheel may have helped the early human. Here you will fill this word web, how the wheel helped the early humans. Question number 3, write one way in which we use the wheel in the same way as early humans did. As we have done this, the same question in the horse part. So now it is time for the homework. What is your today's homework? You will do practice question numbers 6 and 7. Practice question number 6 and 7, which is given on page number 30 in your content book. So this is your today's homework, students. Question number 6 is, how did the wheel help early humans? How did the wheel help early humans? Question number 7 is, what did early humans use pots for? How do we use pots today? So you will do these questions in your homework. Now students, be ready for your next class and resources for next class: content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.